Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter 5th of class 8, that is direction sense and test. Now come to the question number first, that is at my farmhouse I am facing east, then I turn left and walk 10 meters. I again turn right and walk 5 meter. Again I go 5 meter toward the south and from there walk 5 meter toward the west. In which direction am I from my farmhouse? That means in this question a man is traveling with a few distances and also taking the turns respective way in the right or maybe left. We have to, in the end we have to conclude in which direction he is from his house. So first start cracking the statement that I am from my house. That means this may be the farmhouse of my. Now I am facing toward east. That means I am looking in this direction. This is my east from my farmhouse. This is the east direction. Uh, I'm facing toward east. Then I took a turn left. That means I took turn left and start walking for 10 meter. That means I will take the turn left in this direction and walk for the 10 meter. So if I walk for the 10 meters, so I will reach at this point. After reaching this point I again took a right and walk 5 meter. That means I will take the right turn, that means in this direction, and I walk for the another 5 meter, so I will reach this point. Now again I go 5 meter toward the south. So from this point, if I want to go in the south, so which direction I will have to move? So it will be north, it will be south. That means I will go downward. So again 5 meter, took a walk of 5 meters, so I reach this particular point toward the south, and from there walk 5 meter toward the east. Now again from this point I took a, sorry, to 5 meter took a west, sorry. So from this point I want to go toward the west. That means which direction? This will be the east and this will be the west, so I will walk in this direction. So in the end I will reach this particular point. Now in which direction I am from my house? In which direction I am from my house? That means this is my house. If I want to mention the direction, so what will be the directions for? It will be in east, it will be west, it will be north, and it will be south. So in which direction? I will be in the north direction. This will be the question number first. Now come to the question number second. If B is to the southwest of A and C is to the east of B and also southeast of A, D is to the north of C in the line of BA, then in which direction of A is D located? Now here some kind of a relationship is given in between A, B and C related with the directions. So we just have to crack the given statement or sentence. We'll easily find out the answer for the question. Now what is B is to the southwest of A? First settle A. You settle A. That means this will be A. And what is the direction of B with respect to A? That is southwest of A. Suppose this is A, so so the direction for A are, it will be east, north, west, south, and this direction will be the southwest of A. So B should be here because it says in the question that B is to the southwest of A. So we put the B here, southwest of A, and also south southwest of A. C is to the east of B. Now if B is here, so C should be in the east of B. So what will be the east direction for B? It will be here. See, this is east direction for B, and also southeast of A, so it will be southeast of, this is the southeast of A, so we can put C here. That means now we can say that B is the southeast of A and C is the southwest of A and C is the southeast of A. Now also from southeast of A. Now D is to the north of C. D is to the north of C. That means this D should be in the direction of north with respect to C. That means C's north direction will be upward. So we put D here. D is to the northeast of C in line with B and A. That means D is in the line with B and A. So this should be, they all should be in the line. Then in which direction of A D is located? If D is located here with respect to A, in which direction it is? So easily we can say that it is east, it is north for A, and D is located in between that. That means it will be northeast direction from A. So the direction for the given question, that means for the D will be northeast with respect to A. Now come to the question number next, that is a villager went to meet his uncle in another village situated 5 kilometer away in the northeast direction of his own village. From there he came to meet his brother-in-law living in a village situated into 4 kilometer brother in situated 4 kilometer in the south of his uncle's village. How far away and in which direction he is from his own village? Now we'll see that first start solving the question with an imagination of yourself. That means you imagine yourself that you are starting walking and you are going in this particular question. So first a villager went to meet his uncle in another village. That means suppose I want to meet my uncle who is situated in another village, but this is my village. I will start walking or uh, start my journey from my own village. So this is my village, and my uncle's village is situated in the another village and in the direction of northeast. This is an important point. If this is my village, so what will be the directions? So the directions will be like this. It will be north, it will be south, it will be east, it will be west. So this direction will be northeast direction. And how far how far is my uncle's home? It is 5 kilometer away from. So as I move and reach my uncle's house, so I saw that uh, from his own village he came to meet his brother-in-law. Now brother-in-law's village is situated 4 kilometer in the south of his uncle's. So now from this village, which direction will be the south? So now we'll see south will be in the downward direction. And how far it is brother-in-law's village? So it is 4 kilometer. So we'll move downward 4 kilometer. Now we reach the village of brother-in-law. Now they want to ask that how far and in which direction is now from his own village. That means this distance we have to find out how much the distance and which direction it is. So direction, easily we can say that it is an east direction. The village of brother-in-law's house is in the east direction, but how far it is? So in this particular question we can say that the whole traveling creates a right angle triangle. See, this will be the hypotenuse, this will be the perpendicular, and this will be the base. It became so with the help of with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out the shortest distance in the given right angle triangle. So in this question we just apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is square of hypotenuse is equals to square of perpendicular plus square of base. So that means hypotenuse was given here 5, we put the value 5. Perpendicular was also given, that was 4, we put the value. But we want to find out the value of b. After squaring it will become 25, it will become 16. By transferring by transferring 16 we'll get 25 minus 16 on to remove the sign of square we just put the square root, and after solving it will be 9. So 3 will be taken out from the root. So we can say that 3 kilometers. So the answer for the given question will be 3 kilometer east.